Jeff Goldblum.
I don't think it was in the script that I was shirtless. It must have been.
So it was you.
It was
It
Jeff.
was
The sexiest mathematician in the world, ladies and gentlemen.
He knew.
I swear, I don't remember a conversation. Did I say, "Hey, Steven, can I take my shirt? Can I? What happened? I just.
You just did it.
For a turn.
I'm among a lot of fans. I feel like I'm among a lot of friends. We all grew up watching this movie. It takes me back my childhood memories when my father took me to the movie theater, and just watching the dinosaurs for the first time on the screen. It was unreal.
I actually created my car to look like a Jurassic World security vehicle, hence the whole outfit. I've been a fan since the first movie.